This tutorial review will show you how to put restrictions on Safari. Open your Settings app, tap on Screen Time. Make sure to enable Screen Time, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Select Content Restrictions. Enter here your screen time passcode. Then select Web Content. And here you will get three different options. One is unrestricted access, another is limit adult websites, another is allowed websites only. So if you select allowed websites only and then add those websites you only want to get access. So this is how we can put restrictions on Safari. And now you can add another website to allowed access by tapping on add website. Then we can add the title here, enter here the URL. So this is how we can put restrictions on Safari. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.